Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some life hacks. So let's start. First, let's clean this water kettle. As you can see, there's some brown gunk on the bottom. The things you need to clean the gunk off of the water kettle is some water and some vinegar. Now just pour the vinegar in. And then pour the water in. Let's leave it for a couple of hours or more until the gunk disappears. Be careful in pouring your liquids so that you won't wet your electric kettle, so that you won't get electrocuted. As you can see, the gunk is gone after 2 hours. If you leave the vinegar mixture much longer, it will totally be clean. Now let's make the silverware shiny again. You'll need a toothbrush and some toothpaste. First, put a generous amount of toothpaste on your toothbrush and then scrub it onto the silverware in one direction. This may take a while, but don't worry, it will become shiny after. Keep on repeating the process until you're done. As you can see, it's changing in color. It's not advisable to use a brush on this because it can actually scratch the silverware. If you don't want your silverware to be scratched, you use cotton instead. But for me, it doesn't matter. Now it's shiny. Let's take a look at these two and compare it. Here's a look at the inside. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!